In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a MailChimp RSVP button. Whether you're organizing a special event, hosting a webinar, or simply gathering responses for an upcoming occasion, having a clear and functional RSVP button in your email is an easy way to encourage recipients to engage. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process step by step and show you how to integrate a clickable RSVP button directly into your email design. By the end of this video, you'll have a polished, customized button that links to your RSVP form or event page, ready to go. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log in to your MailChimp account. If you're already familiar with MailChimp, this part will be quick. But if you're new, take a moment to ensure you're in the right account, particularly if you manage multiple projects or clients. Once logged in, navigate to the email design you want to work on. This could mean starting a brand new campaign or editing an existing one. If you're creating a new campaign, MailChimp will guide you through the initial setup until you reach the email design interface. Once you're in the design interface, you'll notice MailChimp's drag-and-drop editor. This is where the magic happens. The editor is user-friendly and allows you to build your email layout piece by piece. Now, from the available content blocks, locate the button content block. This is the tool you'll use to create your RSVP button. Go ahead and drag the button block into your email layout. Choose a spot that makes sense for your readers, ideally somewhere prominent, like below your event description or in the middle of the email where it naturally draws attention. Placement matters, so think about where a reader's eyes are likely to focus. Once your button is in place, it's time to start customizing it. In the button settings, you'll see an option to edit the text displayed on the button. This is your chance to make it clear and inviting. Use a short, action-oriented phrase like RSVP now or let us know you're coming. The goal is to create a sense of urgency or excitement while keeping it simple and direct. Next, let's talk about the button's appearance. In the button settings, you can adjust the color to match your branding or the theme of your event. A bright, contrasting color often works best, as it ensures the button stands out from the rest of your email content. For example, if your email background is white, try a bold color like red, blue, or green to make the button pop. Consistency with your brand or event theme is key, so take a moment to select a color that aligns well. Now, it's time to make the button functional. In the button settings, you'll find a field to add your link. This is where you'll paste the URL for your RSVP form, Eventbrite page, or even a pre-filled email address that lets recipients respond directly. Make sure the link leads to a form or page that is short, clear, and mobile-friendly. Many of your recipients will likely be open